This strange decision by World Athletics not to award a male athlete of the year or a female athlete of the year. Instead, they came with this thing about category awards, such as male track award and female track award, male field award and female field award, and another thing called an out of the stadium award for the marathon runners. This is foolishness and cowardice of the highest order. Athletics is sport, and sport is about competing and winning. Why is World Athletics afraid to say this athlete or that athlete was the very best athlete of last year? Like obtains when these same athletes compete and the winner comes across the line and bursts into wild celebrations. Why is World Athletics afraid to replicate the DNA of their very own sport on the award stage? Are they suggesting that no athlete in their sport can be determined to be the best of that year? That is nonsense. Sport is 100% binary. It's not about equality, whether we like it or not. Sport is about athletes competing in order to separate winners from losers. So for this move, World Athletics, boo! Boo! Boo!